You'll have to excuse me if I drool a bit during this video because this is one pizza that makes me super happy. Deliciously slow-cooked buffalo chicken topped with a bit of ranch drizzle, crumbled blue cheese. Yes, it's so good. So this pizza recipe came together by using up leftovers from my buffalo chicken tacos. The chicken is slow cooked while I go about my business, and hours later, you have a terrific meal builder. If you want to see how the chicken is made, check out this video or click on the link right below this video inside the description box. And while you're there, if you want more videos like this one every week, make sure to click on the red subscribe button. You'll be so happy you did. You can use homemade pizza dough or prepared pizza crust from the freezer. Today, I'm using a prepared pizza crust to save both of us a little time. This one is just the crust, but if all you have is just cheese pizza, use that. While the oven preheats, I'm going to spread a little bit of the buffalo sauce onto my crust. If you're using a plain cheese pizza, you can skip this step and just top your pizza with some of the buffalo chicken and then drizzle with some buffalo sauce right after. I have some mozzarella here that I'm going to put over the top of the pizza crust. Next, some of my buffalo chicken. Next, some mild cheddar cheese and blue cheese crumbles. In the oven it goes until it's done. Cooking time will vary by the type of base that you're using, so make sure to follow the recipe directions for that. In the link below this video, I'm going to include my homemade pizza dough recipe as well as the baking directions for you, so make sure to check that out. All right guys, this already smells incredible. The only thing left to do is drizzle my favorite dressing right over the top. This pizza recipe makes me so happy, so let's dig in. Perfectly crispy, it's everything I love about buffalo chicken on pizza. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below this video your favorite way to use buffalo sauce. And if you love easy recipes just like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. A new video comes out every single week and I'd love to send it over your way. See you next time.